Okay, in this video I'm going to show you the solutions to Exam1a. This is for the class that normally meets at 11 o'clock. When you logged in, you go into your hand-in directory in Exam1. There'd be some files. I actually have all the files for all the 3 different sections. You would have exam1a computer.txt. There's the questions. All right, first question is, in this directory, create a file called exam1.txt. If you want to copy and paste in PuTTY, you select by dragging with your left click, and you left click to copy. Put your name at the top. I'm using Emacs. To paste, I right click, or you could just type it out. Here's my name, and then I'll save it. You need to get the name exact, including the .txt, to make sure that it's there. Where is it? Exam1 file. There it is. Alright, let's go back into my exam1a computer.txt. Remember, you can use the up and down arrows to go through the commands you've done before. Second problem, compile this program and copy and paste the output. It says to call it the output conv. It's G++, convert exam1a.cpp-o conv. Look, there's the conv program now. It has a star by it, which means it's a program. /conv to run it. There's the output. Select this, and once it's selected, I left click to copy it. Put it in my exam1 file.txt, and right click to paste. Save it and close. Look back in my file again. Third question says, take the password exam.cpp and make it so it asks for your name at the beginning and then tells you the name each time you type. To ask for the name at the beginning, you would say cout, what is your name? And you want to cin into some variable called name. Some people mess this up. You need to do string name, and then you need to pound include string. Okay, we'll try that out. G++, password exam.cpp-o, I'll call it password. Run it. What is your name? Jeff. What is the passcode? It's 42. Alright, I didn't have it print the name there. I need to put that in now. So the first thing is you declare a string variable and include string, cout and cin, and then inside of here I'll put my cout. Hello, name. Some things that people messed up is declaring the wrong type of variable for the name, or doing the cin every time inside of the loop. If you put it inside of the loop, then it asks for the name every time, which is kind of weird. Once you ask for the name once, you shouldn't ask for it again. Go ahead and compile that and run it. Hello, Jeff. Hello, Jeff. Alright. Next question. Add exam1a.cpp has a syntax error. Fix it and compile it to be called addition. First, let's just try to compile it as it is. I get an error on line 8 that says I was not declared in this scope. Let's look at the file. Line 8 is right here. It's trying to find the variable I, and it can't find it. Let's go back up and look where I is declared. And do you notice something? It's an uppercase I, it should be a lowercase. Or we can change these I's down here to be uppercase. Save it, compile it, run it, make sure that it makes sense. Go back and check the file one more time, exam1a computer. Create the in the directory, create the file, put the name. See, we've done all this stuff. And then if you want, you can go to the in-class code. These files are there, and you should also be able to see them in your own directory now. Can't change them, but you can see them. There's a grading file. Where's the grade? exam1 grading.txt. So this is the kinds of mistakes that people made. You can check that and make sure that your grade makes sense. There should be a file in your directory called grade.txt, and that'll have how many points you got for each problem.